Hello and welcome to my video today. My name is Corey Heisey and I do videos on embedded systems and 3D printing for those systems. And today I'm going to go over it's called WLED package, and so they're used for adjustable LEDs. I have one here. And each one it's addressable. It's called W something or other, but this is WLED. It's like a library from this site. But you can use different programs for it. And some people just buy them, have the remote, pink, yellow, control with your app. So it has like a power, a ground, and then a signal. And yeah, basically, it's just they're all connected independently, and each one's adjustable, so you can make one pink, one blue, basically. And I've got it working before, but I want to do a little bit of light project. And yeah, so before, it's like this WLED is a whole library or whole, I don't know, it's more than one file, basically, that you can flash, that I've used on, for example, Arduino IDE. But last time I used Platform IO on Visual Studio Code. But this time I was, maybe they have like a web flasher, because I used that for the lower one and it worked pretty good. Because trying to get the packages in the libraries can be more of a hassle than the actual implementing it. So I found one and it worked last time. So I plugged in a new ESP32. Haven't flashed yet. See if it works. Okay, and then install. See how it happens. UART looks promising. See if it works. Last time, sure. Do you want to install? Install. See if it works. Last time I had to hold the boot button as it was installing, which sometimes you have to do. Like once it's like it's trying to flash, you hold boot and then it like transfers. Well, the light's on red on the ESP32, so that's cool. See, well, that works, I guess. And then I found this on Thingiverse. I've seen these before. It's like a Gothic lantern. And so I tried to print it already. And I read some of the comments on Thingiverse saying, slow the speed down, either at the whole way or at the end, because towards the end it's too high and it moves, which is what happened to me basically. But I made it 80% because it's just pretty big. It doesn't need to be that big. And then let's throw in the top. Make this also 80%. And then let's move it. So it says it's there. There. Yeah, I did something like that. And I think I did no support. It says support, but I didn't need it. Even in the comments or the description on Thingiverse, it don't use support, doesn't need it. But maybe like the raft on the bottom. But also heard using like hairspray or some sort of like spray glue to keep it on the bed is a good idea. But I thought, I'll just try it. And it was like 10 hours printed it during the day. And looks like it's a bit interfering there. And yeah, it was only like last 40 minutes or so that it try resetting your device. Okay, let's try that. last time. So which one is the boot? This one. Install. Install, and then you hold the boot button. Looks like it's working now. Yeah, that's all I needed. Hold the boot while it's initial flashing. Yeah, so it'll only like last 40 minutes. So just this like clip part and this like here, but it's not like much smaller. So I think, and I don't want to print it again. I could maybe figure out how to like set it up and finish the print because you can do like multicolor stuff easily. You know, like you stop it, change the filament, and then start it again. I have a Bamboo Lab A1, which is multicolor capabilities, but I don't have the attachment to have the other filaments. But you can just like do it yourself. I've done it before when the filament ran out, so I paused, just put a new one in, and then so it's multicolor. And then, but the one I have is big enough, but it just like doesn't have this clip, so I don't know. I might just put like cable band, zap straps, or zip ties to close it, because whatever. I don't want to glue it because I want to be able to open it, but it might be good enough. Well, the original thought was I had like a lights for like the closet or whatever, but I wanted to build a case to hold the electronics. And I thought, well, you know, you could have the this nice lantern, anyways. They also have this. Let's just poop it in here. This is like for the light or whatever. And I think it says to print with PETG instead of PLA, but in white, I guess. I don't know if it makes it more thinner. Right now I just use like a piece of paper, sort of works. But I'm just kind of messing around prototyping. So installation complete. Nice. Oh, I have to connect to Wi-Fi, but I'll do it later. Just skip. Okay, nice. Cool. Works good enough, I guess. The I couldn't find out which signal pin to put it on, but you can do any of them. But then in the settings in the WLED app, either on the browser or on your phone, you can set it, and it doesn't matter. So it said 16, so I just used that. But you can change it if you need to. And then you just like download a app and then connect to it, like on your phone or on the browser here. And I use it has to be Chrome. I normally use Firefox because I find it doesn't take as much CPU on my laptop anyways, but Chrome, it has to be Chrome to do these web flashers, I found out. And yeah, so that worked. And yeah, I don't have any white PETG, so I just use paper for now, but yeah. Delete this. Yeah. But anyways, that's all for now, I guess. I'll show some later, maybe. So I have the 3D printed case here, and I hooked it up to these batteries so that I could don't have to plug it in, and I can put it on a transportable. Just have a little power supply that comes with the Arduino starter kit. And then yeah, for this paper here, you can sort of see the lights behind it. It'd be better maybe with better filter in there. And then I just pooped the whole sort of prototype kit in there. It's like the breadboard and the cable from the power supply to the ESP32. And it works for now. I'm just kind of messing around. You better to obviously have a bit like a proper circuit, and also the paper doesn't really work that well because it's not like, it's kind of thin. So maybe I can try to print that tulip file that in the Thingiverse, but I have to buy a new filament, and which is okay. But and then I don't know, the circuit you just could use like Wago things or maybe solder. There's a few different options, but just for a little fun project for now. And yeah, but it's pretty good. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe, and see you next time, I guess. Here's the cat. Bye for now.